What's up, guys? Welcome back to our show, Toy Friendly Unboxed, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And for today's episode, meron na naman tayong syempre pang malakasan na i-review. Pero this time, hindi tayo mag-unbox. Pahinga muna tayo dun sa unboxing and especially sa Gundam, no? Kasunod na Gundam yung nireview natin and unbox natin and review. This time, wala tayong unbox pero parang ano tayo, yung episode natin is highlight or spotlight sa one of the, if not the most popular super robot in the country. Siyempre, alam niyo na, sino pa ba yun? Meron tayong review ngayon. Super rare Voltes 5 figure and eto siya, guys. Ganito kalaki na Voltes 5 figure, custom built, 24 inches. And vintage look. Ito yung ating spotlight ngayon. Spotlight figure. And okay, before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements and future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And like always, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly para dun sa mga gusto nyo bilhin na toys. Baka meron kami doon, you never know. Just browse through our albums and give us a message kung may interesado kayo, and maybe we'll be able to hook you up with anything there. Eto yun, review natin siya in a short while, so here we go! So here it is, guys. Nakatayo siya side by side with the original DX 1978 Red Elbow Voltes 5. Ito yung holy grail ng mga Voltes 5 collectors. Ito yun, diba? Ganyan siya kalaki. Siguro mga 12 inches siya. Itong custom build, 24 inches. And of course, dito nakikita natin yellow elbow version. So, kailangan ko ba explain ko ano difference nila? So, Yellow Elbow, yun yung first release, di ba? Na kung fan kayo ni Voltes 5, first release yan, first edition. And yan yung parang hindi ko alam kung error ba nila sa paint or basta yun. Yan yung pinaka-rare. Actually, mas rare yan yung Yellow Elbow kaysa sa Red Elbow. Anyway, didiscuss naman natin syempre itong custom build natin. Napaka-ganda, napaka-smooth ng paint job and the sculpt. And so ganyan siya kalaki. Well, ang difference lang is of course itong original na disassemble yan. And of course made of siguro 80% or 90% na steel. Yun yung mga laruan dati, di ba? Sa Japan. Bakal kung bakal. Mabigat yan. Ito, ang material na ginamit naman dito sa Voltes 5 custom build na to ay, would you believe, Sintra board. Sintra boards ang ginamit dyan. And tignan nyo naman yung quality niya. Hindi mo akalain na Sintra, diba? Doon sa paint job, yung sculpt. And one more thing, hindi siya disassemble. So kung may tatanong dyan, curious, so diba? Nagvo-volt in, volt out ba yan? Hindi siya ganun. Actually, for display purposes siya. Pero tingnan na naman yung quality, diba? So, shoutout nga pala kay JR, yung nagka-custom build nito. It took a while, pero nung nakita ko yung resulta nung gawa niya, naglaho lahat yung sakit ng ulo sa pag-aantay. Yung alam niyo na yung sakit ng ulo sa pag-aantay, sa pagiging impatient mo. Nawala. Nung nakita natin to, sobrang ganda niya. Lalo na in person yan, pag nakita niyo up close. And masasabi niyo, wow, bakal ba yan? Or saan galing yan? 3D printed ba yan? Marami nagtatanong sa akin yung 3D printed. And syempre hindi, no? Handmade. Handmade siya, totally. Lahat siya. So, di ba? Nakaka-impress yung yung paint job niya. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Yung mga lagpas-lagpas. Yan? Intentional din yan. Yung mga ganyang lagpas. May konting weathering. Nakikita nyo din sa mga parts. Hindi siya, syempre, ginawang super perfect. And I think that's intentional on the part of the artist. Kasi you have to achieve also some semblance of it being a part of the past. You know what I'm saying? Parang ginawa niya na may mga ganyang imperfections just to make it look like vintage talaga siya. Kita nyo yung pati yung lagpas din sa beak. Ano ba tawag dyan? Beak ni Voltes. Parang ibod ko si Voltes. Yung sa nose, upper part ng nose, di ba? Parang blue siya doon. Dapat silver pa rin. Parang yung pinagbasihan niya kasi dito is siguro yung lumang yung talagang vintage nga na ganito na Voltes 5. Ayan, no? Meron siyang blue dun sa nose part. Hindi ko alam kung humulas lang yung paint or whatever the reason, yan yung pinagbasihan niya, sigurado. Oh, super accurate, no? Yung recreate ni artist dito sa Voltes 5 na to. So, very impressive. Yung paint job is one of the highlights talaga of this figure. And I know I'm sounding like a broken record, pero 24 inches to. Ganun siya kalaki. And ang ganda niya, pan-display talaga. So, isa pang pwede natin pag-usapan, one more thing to talk about with this excellent figure ay yung the placement and the recreation of stickers. Diba? Kita nyo naman, very accurate, on point. So, pag kinritik mo pa naman yan, sobrang nagninitpick ka na. On point yan, yung mga stickers. So, tinry talagang maging super accurate ni artist yung lahat ng nakadikit siya. Bolt frigate, lander, ganyan yan. 7-piece, ganyan lahat. Tsaka yung sticker dito yung logo sa stomach. Yun. Tapos tignan natin yung likod para makita nyo yung overall pagkaka-replicate nito awesome Voltes 5 figure. So, ito naman yung mga stickers sa likod at the back. And tignan nyo yung detail. Ayan, pati yung wheels. So. Yan. Siyempre, kung mag-nitpick ka nga, makikita ka mga errors. Pero hindi yun ang point. Ang point is, gaano ka-accurate yung pagkakagawa ni artist dito. Yun yung nakaka-impress. Cruiser 1, pati yung fonts, diba, yung stickers. And ako, sobrang na-impressed ako sa paint job. Number 1, yung paint job. Yung galing. Smooth na smooth eh. Hindi siya yung trabahong tamad. Kaya nga nagtagal yung pagkakagawa nito eh. Kasi talagang yung quality na sure niya. Second to none. Ayan. Yung blacks, yung silvers. Another point to note is nakadalawang beses siya mag-reapply ng blue. Kasi nga hindi siya naging satisfied dun sa unang application. Sabi niya hindi ganun kamukha dun sa Kasi he was striving to really copy and represent the original 1978 or 1977 edition of the Voltes 5 DX. And yun. So far, ito yung pinaka-accurate rendition na nakita ko ever ng custom builder sa Voltes 5. There were decent attempts in the past, pero ito, diba? Aminin nyo, ito yung pinaka the best na makikita nyo. So, okay guys, ito ngayon, Voltis 5 24-inch custom build. Napaka-impressive. And, masasabi ko lang, kung papagawa kayo, syempre strive for quality na talaga. And, ito yun. If you're interested in availing a figure such as this one, message nyo lang kami sa Toy Friendly Unboxed. And also sa Facebook page natin, sa Facebook store. Give us a message and yun, bigyan ko kayo ng instructions on how to be able to acquire such an awesome piece. And hopefully makadistribute tayo ng ganitong mga klaseng toys this coming year. And there you go. Cue for montage. And that was our show, guys. This was our quick spotlight review of this awesome custom build Voltis 5 BX vintage Yellow Elbow replica from our good buddy JR. Shout out sa'yo. And good job dito sa one of a kind rendition of Voltis 5. Guys, hindi ako masyadong fan ng custom builds. Kasi na-OC ako dun sa pagiging non-official nila. Gusto ko lagi kasi official release. Pero nung nakita ko to, talagang saludo ko and bow dun sa quality na ginawa ng kaibigan natin. So, I rarely praise custom build figures because yun nga, na-OC ako, pero this time ito yung super impressive na nakita ko talaga. Sobrang impressed ako dito. So if you want to be able to acquire this particular Voltis 5 figure, just give us a message and we'll see what we can do. I mean, palalagpasin mo ba ito ganito kagandang quality from top to bottom, side to side, and front and back. Sobrang ganda ng quality nito. And kita nyo guys, hindi siya heavy. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy kasi nga Sintra Boys hindi naman siya bakal talaga. Also, just to FYI lang, hindi siya nag-bolt in, bolt out. Hindi siya nag-disassemble. Wala siyang gatay capabilities. Pero, di ba, worth it pa rin. For display lang talaga. Display purposes. So, wala siyang articulation. And, bawing-bawi din sa quality. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And, again, don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements of future episodes and other fun stuff. Also, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. Maraming laruan doon na for sale and pre-orders. So give us a message and browse around, and you might be able to see something that you like, and give us a message and we'll help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.